Move over! Today we spent $1,000 on sick accessories at AutoZone for our $500 Jetta.
And at the end, we're gonna see how dope this car is gonna be after dropping an absolute rack at AutoZone.
He's Zach, I'm James, and this is the Dealers.
Big thanks to Credit Karma for sponsoring this portion of this video. Do I love my job? Absolutely. I mean, I've been helping people check credit scores since the day I was born. But after seeing how much my human overpays for car insurance because of his age, zip code, and even credit score, I just knew I needed to help. So I created Karma Drive. Unlike those other apps, Karma Drive works to save you money by helping you find insurance that factors in how you actually drive.
All you need to do is download the free Credit Karma app. Tap to enable your phone location permissions, then just go for a regular old drive and I will track your driving.
Oh, rolling through a stop sign. That's not good. Sorry about that, sir. Throughout the test drive period, you'll be able to see your driving score, plus get tips on how to increase your savings by focusing on things like speed management, vehicle handling, and focused driving. At the end of the test drive period, Karma Drive will let you know if you're eligible for a discount from a well-known, trusted insurance provider, all for free. So if you're a safe driver who wants to start saving on car insurance, click the link below to download the Credit Karma app to get started. It's free, it's fair, and it's easy to use. Now, does 81 have a charger? I'm on 1%. I can do it. And thanks again to Credit Karma for sponsoring this portion of this video.
So we're at the AutoZone and we're about to buy $1,000 worth of sick accessories for our Jetta, but we don't want to draw too much attention to ourselves. So we're gonna wear these super secret spy camera glasses so that we look extremely incognito.
Nobody's gonna suspect a thing.
So where do we want to start? Yeah, boy, sticker aisle.
Whoa.
That's sick.
Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, put a Honda sticker on it. Ooh. Oh, is that an antenna?
Yeah.
That's redneck as hell, I like it.
Oh, carbon fiber?
I mean, we're definitely gonna need to add some lights. Ooh, rally mirror. We could do a dual mirror setup.
Yeah, let's probably do that. That's tight. What do we like better? Do we like dodge or move over?
Well, in my opinion, there is room for two, a top and a bottom.
Okay.
Man. We should start thinking about how much money we're spending. We gotta be getting close.
This is 25 bucks. I would put something back for it.
Is that all y'all need?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Dang, that's everything. We didn't do bad. 10:30. Go, 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 go. Now, first off, I'd like to be clear, this video is not sponsored by AutoZone in any way, but we do like AutoZone. I go there quite frequently. And the first round of parts we're gonna be looking at and installing are our performance and aerodynamic parts. See what we got, James?
We got ourselves a set of beautiful mesh BBS inspired hubcaps. Now that car is a performance beast, and that means it needs lots of air. And the best way to get air into the engine bay is with a big old honking hood scoop. Universal rear spoiler kit, universal front spoiler kit, shark fin antennas, performance exhaust, flashy lights, fender vents. What are these called?
I don't know, what are they? Oh, those are air diverters.
Deers are a huge problem in Los Angeles, and we want to protect our car, so we got ourselves some deer whistlers. Now, after we do all these mods, this car is gonna be really powerful and have a really hard time keeping traction. So we're gonna convert it to all-wheel drive. Let's put this nice stuff on.
So one of the first things we're gonna tackle is the spoiler. Get this thing, with some downforce for all the power that we're gonna be adding. It'll help us with traction. Wow, kind of matches the Heck Blend or whatever.
That's Euro, dude. SOO, spoiler, officially on.
All right, I think I'm gonna tackle these air diverters and shark fin. In my mind, this is like a
big
mama air diverter.
Oh, yeah.
So we'll do them all together, yeah. What these are gonna do is really help kind of smoothen out the turbulent air coming over the roof line of the car so that as it comes down the rear window and runs into the spoiler, it's going really nice and smooth for maximum downforce. So these are gonna be really critical in terms of the aerodynamic performance of our Jetta here.
Need some downforce on the front, so I'm installing this really sick front splitter.
Carbon fiber?
It's carbon fiber, yes.
Oh! A lip on the lip.
Yeah, dude.
And the carbon fiber look really is nice.
Yeah, it's like a race car. So on the side, I had extra spoiler left over, so I'm gonna add some canards.
Oh, nice, dude.
Big shouts to Jason at Rotiform for hooking it up. He's the homie. He always supplies all my wheels.
Wow.
These are what you call quick change wheels. They were outlawed in F1 because you can put them on so fast.
What do you think about that, James?
Dang,
Pretty good
dude.
fit. That should add an easy 10 to 20 horsepower.
We just put the performance exhaust on. I'm gonna start it up, see what it sounds like.
What was that?
I think it just pooped on me. That's what I'm talking about.
Those are great.
The only thing left in the performance and aerodynamics division here is our hood scoop setup. Obviously very important, so we're not gonna take this lightly.
So needless to say, we're off to a rockin' start. The car looks great. It's obviously more powerful.
Obviously.
But the thing is, when you're driving, you spend 90% of your time inside of the car. So no race car build is complete without some interior mods.
That's right.
More lights, skull rear view mirror, new shift boot, sick performance, probably titanium shift knob. Oh, we got a lot of new electronics in this thing, so we need as many 12-volt plugs as we can get, so we got 4. And it's a good thing, because one of those ports is gonna be plugged up by this sick skull cigarette lighter. One of the only things that you touch during the car, one of the things that you are inputting information to the car with is the steering wheel.
It's the link between man and machine.
Exactly. So we went with this beautiful quick release steering wheel. As you can see, it's quick release.
It's also a stress reliever, which is pretty good dual purpose.
Damn, it's made by Bell. Of course, we need a security system. So we got a hula girl. And of course, no race car is complete without a chandelier, because this is like a performance VIP build.
Exactly. Now let's talk. Oh, almost fits.
Installing the shift boot. You get a new shift boot, put it inside out, put it on under the shifter, and get yourself a zip tie, tighten it down.
Great install, James. To top off Pumphrey's sick shift boot, you know, we got the shift knob, and it's on there, and boy, does it feel good. That's a weighted shift knob with a skull on it in neochrome. Now I'm working on the power bank. A little piece of double-sided tape. Oh, hell yeah. And putting that there gives me perfect sight of my skull cigarette lighter. Damn, I can see not only one, not only two, but 16 skulls from where I'm sitting.
And hopefully this will help you see them a little bit better.
Is that going in here?
So we're gonna be doing a lot of rally stages, a lot of night driving. So this is a rally light.
Oh, hell yeah.
Hot import nights much? We just added show car to the resume. I think these are actually harder to put on than a real steering wheel.
Ooh, but the result is
dude.
impeccable.
So the rear view mirror is reminiscent of like a evil goth church, and no evil goth church is complete without a badass chandelier. No race car is complete without its livery. And I think it's time for us to bring this baby home and make her look as sick as she performs and feels.
And she looks and feels like a performance machine, so let's bring her looks up to snuff. What do we got?
Fearless windshield banner. What is the most powerful car company?
Dodge.
That's right, Dodge. This thing's got a Hemi in it, maybe. Jack, what's the sickest wild dog?
Oh, it's a wolf.
Ow!
Out of the moon, baby.
What's better than good bolts?
Bad ones.
Bad bolts. I don't know These are sick. Gorilla, American flag skull, skull valve caps to go with our brand new rotiforms. Color match skull, more vents, Pitbull dog, skull with crossed hands and 2 pistols. Gotta look at your enemies as you pass them and chop them and take them to Gapplebee's. So we got some Pilot 3-inch blind spot mirrors, Bulldog, Gullerfly. No race car is complete without flames. No race car is complete without steel flames. Nothing looks cooler than an eyebrow spoiler. It really toughens up the look of your car. But you know what toughens up the look of your car even more? Eyelash spoiler. Gotta let people up front in slow cars know the deal. Move over! If we don't Hemi swap it, we might LS swap it, so we thought we'd go ahead and take care of it.
Covering all our bases here.
Black Widow, and of course, this is a Euro car. In Europe, the Jetta is known as the Bora. So we got a Bora badge.
Yeah, people are gonna think we imported this thing.
Yeah, an aero antenna, my piece de resistance. Oh, also 2-inch blind spot mirrors to go along with the 3-inch ones, giving us a total 10 inches, 5 on each side. That's almost a foot of blind spot mirror on this thing.
Those blind spots aren't gonna know what hit them.
Yeah, they won't, because they're blind.
This is when the car goes from looking like pretty good to pretty
This
heinous.
is when the car goes from looking pretty good to becoming an absolute neck breaker.
I'm feeling like we're definitely getting the message across. You know, that's what happens when you're fearless. You just go at an install, no fear, and you just nail it.
So to complete the Euro conversion, I have to paint it. This is not how you debadge a car. Don't debadge a car like this.
Nice paint match, James.
Thank you. Then I'm gonna shave the emblem.
Nice. Yeah, like a rock, baby.
I'm gonna color match the hood scoop.
This thing is really coming together right before our very eyes. Now I think one of these is gonna have to be a hood emblem.
Okay.
And I kind of feel like the spider's the coolest, but the skull's the most prominent.
Yeah, Spider means convertible, and we're definitely gonna make this a convertible one day. At least a Targa.
With some rear scissor doors, hopefully.
Hit the like button if you want us to put rear Lambo doors on this.
Oops, I may have broken it.
Oh no. That thing looks great, dude. Okay, so that's what $1,000 in the AutoZone accessory aisle looks like. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks, Zach, for coming on the show. We have a bunch of this stuff in our closet. We're gonna give it away. So if you're interested in that, check out our membership program. Click the join button below, or I'll put a link in the description. I love you.
This is
Let's get it.
the D-List. Let's go.